Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. If you need the best engineer ever, this gentleman here. Okay, we have a 2006 Pontiac what?
GTO.
Oh my God, what a nice engine. GTO. Wow, that's the engine computer there. So what we did here is we changed, you changed this too? New?
No, there's only water pump.
So we changed the water pump, but honestly, this water pump is so huge, big. You need to change it. You have to make good space. Did you jack up the engine from the bottom a little bit? No, just like this. Out there, I don't.
The throttle body.
You
take the idle pulley.
Oh, you take the idle pulley too?
Take the belt out.
Okay.
3 holes straight over here.
Those here you have to take them out. I was doing the Ford Explorer there. I was not able.
3 screw over here. 3 screw over here. 10 minutes.
10 minutes, and then you pull everything.
You pull out. They clean up good. Put the gasket. Put it back again.
Yes, and good to go. No leak, no nothing. Wow. I want to hear this noise of this engine. How it's roaring. Whoa.
This, a lot of noise.
Yeah.
Also, a lot of power.
I know.
Big
GTO. Pontiac. Here is the old. Where is that old one?
The old one is here.
Yeah, this is the old. You gotta put a thermostat.
Leak over here.
And leaking from here. Okay, it's coming from here. When this go. Look at the water pump unit. How big it is. It's a housing by itself. But you know the new technology, they get rid of all this.
Yeah.
They put a small electrical part in the bottom somewhere. But being roaring, big pulley, and you know how the car is.
Together.
But I believe when they take this one out and they put electrical one, and they put electrical one, or they put a small one, maybe they get more power. Getting rid of this one to an electric water pump.
Car.
Yeah, but really, a lot of people love this car and still they enjoying it. You want me to start it or not yet?
1 second.
You have to put the, yes, 2006 GTO. Even on the seat, they say GTO, and what mark, what brand it is. Okay, GTO Pontiac. And this is a sign for it. Here is G6. Yes, beautiful. I love it. I love this one. Please subscribe, share, and like. This is a quick information about this car. And with the water pump, if it start leaking, don't wait. Give it to a professional. Let him put it on for you, and then it will work. Here, they put even all the information of the car, the body.
This 6.0 engine, yeah?
This 6.0 engine?
Yes.
And you better stay away from this car when it's in front of you. Let him go. When he say beep beep behind you, just say, okay, you know what? You are in hurry. That's the PC valve. It's messed up too. That's gonna create issue too. You may have to put a new one. Where is it sitting? From here?
Yeah.
To?
Valve cover.
Okay, to valve cover. Okay. Yes. Okay, why not? To there. Okay, just put it in, we start it, then we get a new one. Maintenance, all the time. Check all the rubbers, all the hoses. Change them. Don't wait till something messed up. They say the belt, every 3 years, put a new one. You're going to put a tape now?
Yeah, put tape.
You're going to work with the tape?
Yes.
Yes, and then order one, please. This car, when he say, wham, oh, by the way, this is a computer, and this computer can work for more than 100 cars. As long as the part number is the same, you can put a different software on it. Now, I have another thing to tell you too. Here is the fuses. I love to work on those cars and electric. I just give you some information. Here are some fuses and relays, and here is the destination or the information about the relay. Like fuel pump relay. When you put this one like this, you will know exactly. Those are the fuses. This side of fuse. Here is the relay, fuel pump relay, fog lamp cancelling relay, and the fog lamp relay. So those are the 1, 2, 3 here. 1, 2, 3. If you want to crank the car and you don't need the car to run, or you want to park the car, you don't want nobody to touch the car for you or go, just take this one out, put it in your pocket. Nobody will take the car away and run with it. This is just a temporary fix to start the car, take it out of the lift. Please order that piece. Don't do this lousy walk. Put a note on it that need to be, and also you see the oil specification. SAE 5W30. This is maybe when the mile. You want me to start it? Yes. I'm very happy to start it. Okay, I'm gonna go do it right now.
You feel nice.
Yeah, put it this way. Don't forget, if I don't put it well, okay, I gotta go back here. Yes, I'm gonna start this car for you. Enjoy driving your car, but please, no tickets, no speed. Put your seatbelt for your safety. You see here, I see something. You see this place here? This to push it to open the gas tank. But if you see this sign, you see the tail, this is show you that the gas, if you want to come to fill out the gas, which way you can park the car. So this one, it tell you that the pump is on your right, the gas tank is on your right hand. Okay, I'm gonna start it. And the key, let me show you the key. This is the key. So please, if your key start wearing out, go and get another key. Don't wait till this key go away. It's not easy to make another key. Make a key while your car is working. Yes. GTO, any place you go, GTO there, GTO here, and GTO there. Let me give gas a little bit. You hear? Yes. Radio functions are good. Air condition manual, mode. Volume also maybe is here for the radio. Let me open the radio. Why the radio is not working? I don't have no problem if the radio doesn't work. Okay, eject is here. Yeah, it's work. Take it out, guys. This is like when the CD is there. But when about the cassette, my son asked me what the cassette is, how it works. Do you believe that? No, you have to push load first. Oh, another one come. Now I gotta push load again. Wait. He asked me to wait. Please wait. Now I gotta put it in. So it's not like just you go and throw it away. Thank you for watching. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. If you need a water pump or part for your car, please click the link below. You will get it there, and see you again. Thank you.